neutered. Like, dead ass, bro. I had her for 7 years and not get her neutered yet. It's crazy. The only reason why I ain't got her neutered really because she's smarter than that. Like, she is smarter than that. She knows when she knows things and not know things when it's not really, you know, the shit that I don't fuck with, I don't like, not right now. You feel me? Appreciate you, 215 Zay. Appreciate it for the hearts. Shout out to 215 Zay. Shout out to 215 Zay. What is this? 2 hour bonus time unlock start, I guess.